Remember, before the fear, before the separation, we were one. I was searching through the darkness, trying to find where I belong. But every road kept leading back into the same love.
Every face became a mirror, every soul a sacred flame. And beneath the noise of the world, we were always the same.
When the silence fills the heart, all the walls disappear. There is no you and me when love is here. Remember, we are one heartbeat beneath the sun. Remember, we belong to the same eternal song. One breath, one soul, one light in every form. Remember, we are love, and we have always been in love. One heart, one flame. We are all the same. The ocean lives inside us, the stars breathe through our veins, and every tear we've cried returns us home again.
No borders in the spirit, no distance in the soul. Only sacred rivers flowing back to one. Lay down the illusion, release the fear. The love you seek is already here. We were never separated, never alone. Just waves of the same ocean, trying to remember home.